Hey there, did you know you could actually make meals from your microwave? Watch this video to the end to see how. We started off this recipe by chopping our garlic and onions in our Tupperware herb chopper, which makes life so easy. We put in our rice, potatoes, onions, garlic, and carrots in our microwave rice maker. We went in with our spices, which are right in the Tupperware spice shakers, coming in December in 150 ml containers. We then added water and stirred. We covered and put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Please note that we have not used any cooking oil.